Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way integrating OpenAI ChatGPT 3 with Microsoft Excel and use it getting information into Excel. It'll take less than 2 minutes to get started. But before we start, you should have your OpenAI API key. You can get this key from your OpenAI account. Now let's get started. Open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Get Add-in to open the Store window. In the search field, enter OpenAI and hit Enter. Click on Add to add the Brainiac Helper add-in. Just click Continue to add it. It'll take a bit to adding this plugin. Brainiac will open up automatically on the right side. If it doesn't, just click this Show Credential Entry button on the Home tab. Now here you can see some things which you don't need to worry about. Copy and paste your API key you got from OpenAI here and that's it, you are good to go. Now let's test it. Click on any cell and ask a question to which you want an answer. After entering the question, click on the immediately right cell and then click Run in the Brainiac. For example, I'm going to ask it to give me a list of top 5 fictional movies with the high gross revenue and give the revenue as well. And click Run. It'll take a bit and here is the answer. Let's ask something else. Click on another cell, type the question, for example, give me a Python code for sorting contents of an array in ascending order. Move to the next column and click Run. Wait a bit and here is your answer. Additionally, you may change the model for test understanding to DaVinci 3 by writing 3 here instead of 2. Now let's ask the same question again and see what will be the answer. Here it is. Now the answer is much more detailed and better. I hope this will get you started for using OpenAI intelligence directly in Excel sheets in many exciting ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and take care.